Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any photos into cartoon in Canva. So if you want to turn your selfies, pet photos or landscape into stunning digital art, here I'm going to show you the ways to turn any photo into a cartoon using Canva. So in here I've already opened a blank canvas in Canva. Now you can just go to apps and just search for the apps called Cartoonify, this one. So open the apps, you can make your image look like cartoon, click on open. Okay, so you can upload your image, or if you have your design, you can select one of the photo in your design to cartoonify it. So I'm gonna just choose a photo in here. Let's say this one. You can just hit on open, and now just choose the style. There is this signature, classic, creative, and also vibrant. I think I'm going to just go with a vibrant option. And if you want to add custom extraction, you can add in here. Now just click on Cartoonify image, and Canva will do its magic by turning your photo into a cartoon. So just wait, this may take a few seconds. Okay, so here is the result. You can generate again or start over if you don't satisfied with the result, but if you like it, you can just click on add to design, and this is the cartoon version of your photo. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.